up, guys? It's your girl Kalina. Good morning. Right now I'm outside the gym. Today is day 8 and I'm feeling really good, really great. Excited to get this resistance training in today. Honestly, yesterday was hard, like day 7. Like I really did not feel like working out because, you know, girls, we go through our PMS, and, you know, just wanted to encourage you, whenever you just get in those moments where you're just like, my body is tired, like I don't feel like it, you do something that you really don't feel like doing but you do it anyway. It's like a psychological like change in your brain, because you'll start thinking like, oh, like I can get it done, you know, even if you feel like you can't. Like it does something to your brain where it's like a switch of like, next time you feel like that, you're gonna push through. Because even when I was doing my sprints yesterday, like my body was like, whoo, like I was so winded. I don't know why. Like I think my body was just really tired from, you know, our bodies, we go through, you know, changes when we're PMSing, when we're going through our cycle. So it's just like our body is, you know, working overtime, and it's like if you're doing like a really intense workout, it really does take a toll on your body. Sometimes you do need to rest. Like, but I had my 2 rest days on Saturday and Sunday, so I was fine. I was like, Monday I could just get through this sprint workout, like that's nothing. But you know, like I said, I did experience like my brain saying like, okay, you can stop, like, but I was like, no, we're not gonna stop. We're gonna finish this workout. And I'm so glad that I got it done. Whenever you're in those moments, just push through, because you will be so proud of yourself for getting it done and not quitting in the middle of a workout. Like, just always get it done. That's why I like Nike so much. Shout out to Nike. Just do it. That's the reason why I love them so much. It's like what they stand for. Just do it. Like, it's so motivational to me. Like, it literally does motivate me. And their clothes are such good quality, you know. So it's just, and I've had like, the first time I bought Nike tights was in like 2016 for a music video that I did. And I still have them to this day, and they're still great quality. And it's just like, that's exactly what I've had tights that I had to throw away, that I bought from like a regular, you know, off-brand store, and it's just like they never last long. But that's why I've been building up my wardrobe with, you know, buying Nike stuff, because as a trainer I just always want to look presentable and always want to have quality clothing, quality, like everything. Honestly, I'm all about quality. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys some encouraging words this morning. I'm definitely seeing results so far. Like I already see the toneness happening like in my legs. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do the same 2-hour workout today, so I'm really just showing you guys like the end of the workouts, because I don't want to keep showing you guys the same footage over and over again, you know what I mean? So know that I am getting it done, and I'm doing every single exercise. You guys are just gonna watch the results, so stay tuned. Today is day 10 here at the gym. Just finished drinking my matcha latte and my protein smoothie. Yesterday was day 9. I didn't vlog yesterday because I just needed some time to myself. I really just felt like being productive and like cleaning, like deep cleaning. It was so therapeutic. I really needed that. And so yeah, yesterday I basically just, you know, took it easy, relaxed, and cleaned and went to work. So yeah, back at it today and back at it tomorrow as well. So remember, we said we're training 5 days a week, so with 2 rest days. So yesterday was technically my rest day. Sunday will be my other rest day. So ready to go ahead and get this workout in, guys. Let's go. morning, guys. It's your girl Kelly Lene back with another vlog, and today I'm prepping for Thanksgiving. I am making banana pudding for the first time ever. I watched different recipe videos on like TikTok and YouTube, but I mean all of it's pretty much the same. I don't do like the condensed milk and all that because like to me it's just too sweet. It's already sweet enough to me with the pudding. Just gonna see how it turns out because I've been watching lots of videos from like TikTok and YouTube on how to make it, and it's pretty simple. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So starting out, we have our organic bananas. Of course, I only buy organic bananas like I told you guys. And we have our vanilla wafers. I got 2 boxes. I'm not sure if we're gonna need the whole 2 boxes. We got some Cool Whip. I got 2 just in case. I got some banana almond milk because I just figured that sounds good, like, you know, has real bananas in it. And I prefer non-dairy milk. So, and then we also have 2 boxes of vanilla pudding and 3 boxes of banana cream. I doubt we're gonna need all this pudding. I think I'm just gonna go with the 2 vanilla and 1 banana for now. I never bought this kind before, the cook and serve. That's why I'm just gonna use 1. I'm gonna do 2 vanilla and 1 banana and see if that's enough. And this is our bowl. So let me just wash this pan really quick before we get started. And I'm just gonna wash my hands just because. Okay guys, so we have our bowl, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get our pudding. Okay, so right now I'm getting the vanilla pudding. So I put 2 in here, and then it says to pour 2 cups of milk, I believe. Yes, 2 cups of milk. So we're gonna do our banana almond milk. Alright, so we have 4 cups of almond milk in there. This is what it looks like. You can see the banana chunks, so I'm just gonna stir it up. It says whisk it for about 2 minutes. So honestly guys, this really doesn't look like enough, so I'm just gonna add that 3rd box like I said. It says I'm supposed to cook it on the stove, but I'm not about to do all that, honestly. I'm just gonna mix it in. So we're using 3 boxes of pudding. 2 cups of milk again. I'm just gonna let this sit on the side. We'll come back to the pudding. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get our bananas and chop up some bananas. I'm not sure how many we're really gonna need. I'm just gonna do 3 for now. a plate of 4 chopped bananas. I'm about to do the first layer of cookies.
Okay guys, so while I'm waiting for the banana pudding to set, I ended up putting it in the freezer for a few minutes because it was too watery, and I'm just trying to hurry up and speed this process up. So I put it in the freezer so it could thicken a little bit. But in the meantime, I figured I'll open this package because I've been waiting for this package for like 2 weeks now, really 3 weeks now, and it's finally here. So I just want to show you guys. So I showed you guys the strawberry flat tummy protein shakes that I was using, and I ran out. Because actually that one I had since I was in LA, like I bought it, but I was barely using it. So I started using it while I was here. And yeah, they had a sale. They had a sale, guys, buy one, get one free. So I got strawberry because I really love my strawberry protein powder. But then also got chocolate as well. So I got 2 different flavors, and I never tried the chocolate one. So I'm so excited to try it because I always put bananas in my smoothie. So it'd be like a strawberry banana smoothie or a chocolate banana smoothie with, you know, my chia seeds and other stuff. But yeah, I showed you guys what was in this already, and let me take a look at the chocolate. So I'm just gonna compare and contrast the nutrition facts on each one. So okay, so the serving size is 2 scoops, so it's 130 calories for the chocolate one, 120 calories for the strawberry one. There's 3 grams of fat on the chocolate one, 2 grams of fat on the strawberry one. There's 5% saturated fat on the chocolate one. There's 2 grams of, no, it's 0.5. Hold on, I'm sorry. It's 3% saturated fat. There's only 0.5 grams though of saturated fat in 1 gram. There's no trans fat. There's no cholesterol. The sodium is the same, 150 milligrams. The total carbs is 10 grams on the chocolate, 12 grams on the strawberry. They both have 0 added sugars. There's 21 grams of protein in this one, 20 grams in the strawberry one. And then dietary fiber, there's 6 grams in the chocolate one, 7 grams in the strawberry one. They both have the same amount, well, so it's slightly different. This has more iron in it. It's 100% iron. This is 90% iron. I mean, but they have the same. The same nutrients, guys. And it's pea protein isolate with inulin, brown rice protein. So as I was telling you guys, this is plant-based protein shakes with all the vegetables and nutrients that your body needs daily. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys that I will be using this. After Thanksgiving, we're back on the protein shake wave. I'm so excited. And yeah, that's all I want to show you guys. So this pudding is not thickening. I put it in the freezer to let it like cool. Then I added some cornstarch in there to try to thicken it a little bit, and it's because I mixed the cook and serve with the regular instant pudding. So something told me not to do that, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna fix it. So I'm just gonna heat it on the stove to see if that helps. I'm gonna let this come to a boil. Okay guys, so crisis is averted. The solution, if you ever buy instant pudding and cook and serve pudding and you mix it together and it's super watery, the solution is to heat it on the stove. So we have our nice and creamy banana pudding. Tastes so good, guys. Oh my gosh, so good. Banana pudding is done. Okay, so and it's still hot. It's gonna get thicker as it cools down, but I'm just getting impatient because I've been waiting for this to get done forever and I just want to get done already. So I'm just gonna do the first layer. This is layer number 1. I'm just gonna put the cookies on top. Alright guys, now we're going to do a layer of bananas. Next we're going to get our Cool Whip and layer it. Some more cookies. Chop up some more bananas, as you can see. Okay, so I just chopped up 4 more bananas. Looks like we need more bananas. Just chopped up 3 more bananas to just finish it off. Add another layer of pudding. The crumbs on the bottom. Alright guys, and this is the final result of our homemade banana pudding. Turned out great. All right, and it's ready to go for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Just gonna refrigerate it and it's good to go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I got a bunch of errands to run. I gotta hurry up and clean up the kitchen and go ahead and do my errands. I love you guys so much, and happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. Remember to be grateful every single day. Do your gratitudes every single day, and I guarantee you, you'll enjoy the holiday season. I know a lot of people are down around this time of the year for their reasons, and you're entitled to feel how you feel, but just remember that there's always someone who has it worse than you do. Trust and believe, you know. So just always be grateful, guys. Count your blessings. Thank God each and every day for waking you up, because it is a blessing. I love you guys so much. Until next time. Today, I felt in my heart to send out gratitudes to everyone who I feel has made a major impact on my life. And I just wanted to tell you why I'm grateful that I came across you in my path and my journey, you know. And yeah, it just feels good to express that, because you know, we're not here forever, guys, and while we're here, we have to appreciate the people that we meet in life, you know. Everybody is for, you know, a reason. And it's just like, I just truly appreciate every single last person who has made such a special imprint in my life. And people have been so supportive and so loving and so kind and so genuine. I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but like, I truly do appreciate like the people that I come across. I've been blessed to meet a lot of genuine, just beautiful people in my life. Like, I really have. And you know, from moving to Atlanta, from moving to Los Angeles, like, I've really met some beautiful souls, and I'm just grateful for you guys, because whether you know it or not, you really did make an impact on me. And you may have not realized, like, probably something that I needed at the time, whether it was your kind words, your kind spirit, you know, just being around your energy, you know, just really uplifted me. And you know, as someone who always tries to uplift people, being around someone who like uplifts other people is like such a breath of fresh air. You know, I love being around people who just uplift others, and you know, just their energy and their spirit is calming and peaceful. I love that. And happy Thanksgiving, guys. I just want to say I'm grateful for you, and thank you so much for just being who you are.